พิกอัพทรัคเนี่ยจะแวนนะจะรถตู้เนี่ยจะรถทรัคนะ
Lucky Seaside Pub and Seaward Construction, and Eric Thompson. I swear that trucksman in every demo I've done in the last 5 years. He's out of Burnham, one sponsored by Thompson Farm, Hilltop, and Mom and Dad. This is our feature, right? Top 3 looking. Yes. All flags are up. Let's count them down. This is feature 5, 4. She's gonna go anywhere, bud. Just gonna send me to the irrigates. That ain't gonna work. That's the most running you've done all week. All right, we're cheering them on. The guys got the flags up from 3, 2, 1. Let's go demo. Truck's on fire. This truck is on fire.
This truck is fire.